Yeah, I'm more aligned like what Vijay told it. And also like coding was never the problem here. Like engineers, if people believe that, okay, like if you code, you are a software engineer, then that's the wrong idea you have perceived through your engineering days. Coding was never really the problem. Now AI can like coding better. That's like my perception is that makes our life easier, not like scary that okay, AI is gonna take our job or something. But
Mm-hmm.
I more feel that okay, AI can do the job, but as an engineer, you should think the systems level thinking, the low level concepts you have to master fundamentally so that you like think on a bigger scale. What happens when one service goes down? What happens that when a database fails? Or there are many thousands of scenarios that can happen in a distributed systems architecture, right? So that is really important in today's era that not only coding, let's say in 2020 or 2019, if you uh, understood like 5 to 6 languages, like you are like pretty good, right? Like everybody assume like, okay, man, you know so much languages. That's pretty great. But today, if you know 5 to 6 languages, like even those famous languages which are like getting trending right now, nobody is getting your value. Okay, you know so many languages, why we should hire you? So I guess in today's world, lots of companies are also looking in a multi-domain areas, like not only like, for example, if you're a front-end engineer or a back-end engineer or an AI engineer specifically, it will not work out that much because in today's era, like AI can make a basic CRUD application or any like mediocre application in 2 to 3 hours, right? But in global scale or like an enterprise level application, will it handle all the edge cases there? Like as like Vijay was mentioning, every millisecond counts in a financial system, right? So there, all these things matter. Like for example, let's talk about like high frequency trading, right? That's like even like sub millisecond if we lose there, that means thousands of like stock money goes down. So it really matters like where you can trust the AI to do your job and where you shouldn't. You can ask for suggestion. Like how I code in daily life is I mostly write like 30 or 20% of the code, 70 to 80% of the code AI writes because like I obviously validate and see if everything is correct or not and like go in an iterative manner to like finalize the code. But most of the like architectural decisions or the systematic decisions are made by me, and I also think from my perspective that's what most engineers do and should do also. That's what like gives you the power of controlling your application on a lower level. In a lower level meaning you can like grasp your, you can make your operating system very powerful to the operating system. You can make your application so powerful in an operating system layer so that nothing fails in your application. Even though it fails, it should handle nicely. So AI can't manage all these things. Even like from for me, I think great engineers are more needed in today's world. So that's my point of view of this thing.